parking at the hospital shouldn't be the thing we're thinking about when we're at the hospital with a loved one.
Shocked at the cost of parking while he was visiting a sick relative in the hospital, the mayor of Coquitlam is asking for a change to what he calls a tax on the sick.
Why is the most expensive parking in a city at the hospital?
It's a question that hit Coquitlam Mayor Richard Stewart hard when he was visiting a loved one at Royal Columbian Hospital in New Westminster.
In Canada, healthcare is supposed to not come at the cost of the patient. It's supposed to be covered by society, and yet with parking costs the way they are, we end up essentially taxing people who are sick to use the hospital. We have so many families that they spend hundreds of dollars in the course of dealing with their loved one's illness, that it really can be an enormous burden on families.
Stewart is one of many people questioning the morality of charging people to visit their loved ones at hospitals throughout the Lower Mainland.
To make payments, it adds up for sure, and I just don't think it's right. And for a lot of people, that can make it or break it for them.
If you have to be here every day for treatment or something, you should not have to. But for visiting, I guess it's okay. Everybody else charges.
You only have so much change, so therefore you can only come for a certain amount of time. You can't spend any longer with them. It sucks.
In November, the City of Surrey approved free 2-hour parking in some of the areas surrounding Surrey Memorial Hospital. Responding to Stewart's concerns, Fraser Health has issued a statement saying paid parking at hospitals discourages customers and employees of surrounding businesses from parking at our sites. So these stalls are available for patients and their families. In addition, parking vouchers or fee waivers are made available through the relevant medical program for patients who must make frequent trips to hospitals and clinics. But despite some of the justifications for paid parking, Stewart isn't convinced.
Why we tax people who are sick, I don't know why we do that.
In Port Moody, Ashley Burr, City News.